Hello YouTube. So, updates, channel updates. I was going to go live, but due to activities here in St. Petersburg, I'm not able to do that. The signal is not so good. So, when season 3 starts, if anybody's asking, anybody's wondering, what am I up to? Why is it not got started? So, quick update. The car is in service centre. It cost a whole bunch more than we were expecting, but it is being repaired and it's coming back in a day or two. With that in mind, as soon as it is back, we will be preparing to leave St. Petersburg and heading towards Novgorod. Not sure when it's going to be, but keep an eye out for the channel, and hopefully season 3 will get started within a very short space. I can't say exactly when because I'm not going to tempt fate. As always, these things, when it's in a garage, unexpected problems or something's not quite what they said or whatever, you know how it goes with garages. Starts off in one thing and end up in a million others, which is already done. So but basically a burnt valve and high pressure pump was leaking, and so basically they had to skim the head and put a new valve in it. That was one thing. And high pressure pump had to be replaced because it was leaking apparently, and a few other bits and pieces, so new head gasket, all the rest of it. So all costly and time consuming, but hopefully it'll be ready, like I said, hopefully, not tempting fate here, this week. I'm hoping that we will be up in Novgorod very soon, and we are absolutely bursting to get up there. But as soon as we are heading up there, as soon as it's all confirmed, then I'll do a quick update. But kind of the plan is that if it all goes ahead, then hopefully towards the end of this week we may be able to make a move. But like I said, I'm not tempting fate. Fate, if you're listening, we're not tempting you. But as you can see, this is just almost 10 o'clock at night, and St. Petersburg is white night, so it's kind of the perfect season. It's hot, lots of mosquitoes, and Novgorod will be exactly the same, although it's promising rain for the next week, so who knows. Typical weather. But for now it's sunny, and hopefully if all goes well we'll do that. The other thing I wanted to got my finger over the thing here. The other thing I wanted to say was, if you didn't know, if you haven't followed the community posts, the build plans, all the architectural plans, all the details, all the 3D models, there's 2 types, are all now online. They're in a Google Drive. You can access it. You can see there's a link on the channel. There's also a community post about it. All the plans are there. So once we get started on season 3, each bit that I do, I will name which page of that I'm working on. So if you want to follow it along, you can follow it along. So you'll get see exactly what I'm doing page by page, if you like. It's in Russian. I haven't converted it into English yet. If I get a chance, I will do. But that's the kind of plan on each video, so that should, come on YouTube, that should be visible to you if you want to get. There's also some other photos in there that we took on the frame. They were taken with phone, they weren't so great. There's other photos and there's other stuff on there as well. It's all on the Google Drive, it's all free to use. There's no paywalls or Patreon or memberships or all that garbage. It's all absolutely free. It'll always be free. The only thing I would ask that if you do publish any of those things on other places, just drop a link to the channel. That's all I ask, obviously. But other than that, there is no other things on it. There's no copyrights on it or anything like that. The other thing I would say, that if you decide to make a modification in that cabin or house, and you decide to build it yourself, maybe on a different foundation type, or maybe on a slab or something, who knows what, if you use it as a general architectural idea, then just remember that this is Russia, and code here is very different from whatever country you're in, whether it be America or you know, the US or England or Ireland or India or wherever. Code is very different here, very different standards, very different building practices. It's only really for you to have a look at if you're techie minded, you want to have a look at that. That's what that's for. Like I say, free to use it, but just remember that it's in Russian. If I get a chance to put it into English, I will. Photos, there's some nice photos, general photos. Anything that I post on the community tab is now going to be in there as well in a high-res shot. They're taken generally with an 80 megapixel DSLR, so they're quite nice. And they'll all be going there. High-res shots to the frame as I'm doing it will also be going there throughout the summertime once we get started. Fate, we're still not tempting you. And it's been to be honest, it's been a bit of a roller coaster ride. The van breaking down and then buying a second-hand car in Russia is always a risk that you're going to buy a dud or you're going to buy a problem car, which happened to it basically happens to everybody here. You buy a cheap car, it's going to be full of problems, and it's exactly what happened to us. I was hoping that the diesel engine would be much better than what it was. It turns out that a burnt valve was causing the problems, or the valve seat has come off and rattled around the top of the engine there, so and it's caused the head to warp a little bit. So that's just one of them things. That's life. I can't pretend any other way that it's all roses. It's not, but it's broken us financially for a while. But nevertheless, the build will continue. It has to continue. This is not a build for. It's not a rented piece of land and some studio that's making with actors that are building this frame and building this house. This is a real build. It's my real house. We will be living there permanently. This is no fakery or AI nonsense. This is purely us. The Cabin Cut series is cut from series 1 and 2. For older viewers who've been on the channel a while, you'll notice there is older material I've had to reuse, and there's no choice in that. I had to keep the channel, feed something into the channel to keep it going, especially for new viewers. But I'm kind of treating it as kind of like a quick skippable jump through the build process so far. If you've noticed, the cabin cuts are coming thick and fast now. We're doing 2 a day to trying to bring it up to speed. I won't make it up to speed, there's just too many of them. I'd have to publish 5 a day for the next week. Wouldn't work, there's 106 of them or something, so that won't work. So basically there'll be 2 a day until the season 3 starts. You'll know when season 3 starts because on the day before it, before the video drops for season 3 opener, there'll be no cabin cut. So watch out for that. If you suddenly there's no cabin cuts coming on that day, you'll think, why is it not? Because they're coming at 9 in the morning, sorry, 10 in the morning and 7 at night in Russia, wherever time that is, wherever you, I don't know. So that's the time. So if you see on a day there is no cabin cuts, think to yourself, day after tomorrow, season 3 opens is going to happen. So that'll give you a clue. But I'll also make a community post when we're on the way. Tell you that we're getting started. And then 3 days from that, the first video should drop. It'll be the video of us obviously leaving here and arriving there, kind of thing. And cabin tour coming, the small cabin tour where we're actually living up there, our living conditions. There'll be a quick look at the frame and then some other bits as well. I'll put in the video, and that'll all be coming. So keep an eye on the channel. We haven't gone away. I haven't cancelled the project. I'm not just pumping out cabin cuts for no reason. There's always a reason for everything on YouTube, and you have to have content basically coming out, and that was a way of doing it, and also bringing in new people who don't want to sit through the whole series 1, series 2 of the full videos. You can jump onto cabin cuts and skip through the whole process. Those cabin cuts will continue right through all summer, or probably all winter time. Once I've got season 3 cut into full videos and cabin cuts, then it'll kind of mooch all the way through winter probably. So keep an eye anyway. It is almost, we're almost there. We're sort of on the verge of going now, so keep an eye out, and hopefully this week at some point, or towards the end of this week, some point, we should be getting some real progress. Just wait on the car now. That's all it is really, and then we'll be off up there as quick as we can. So, okay, so hopefully the next video, I'm not going to release any more of these type of videos, updates, until the day we're going. And until then, I'll see you on the other side of the screen.